Hi everyone, I'm Alara Vane and welcome back. Today, I'm answering a question I get all the time. Why choose DigestSync over other supplements? Let's break it down. 1. DigestSync versus probiotics. Most probiotics focus only on your gut health. DigestSync goes further by combining probiotics with ingredients like baobab and konjac glucomannan, which also target bloating and improve digestion. 2. DigestSync versus fiber supplements. Fiber supplements can help, but they don't repair your gut lining or support your microbiome like DigestSync does with its biogenic polyamines and pea starch. 3. DigestSync versus multivitamins. Multivitamins are great for overall health, but they're not designed to tackle digestive issues. DigestSync specifically targets bloating, gas, and discomfort while boosting energy and nutrient absorption. Why DigestSync wins? Heavy Checkmark combines probiotics, fiber, and prebiotics in one gummy. Heavy Checkmark repairs and strengthens your gut lining. Heavy Checkmark 100% natural and easy to use, just one gummy a day. If you're ready to experience why DigestSync is the best, don't wait. Click the link in the description to order now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you next time.